Thanksgiving meal costs are down for the third straight year. As America gears up for the holiday spread, families might be pleasantly surprised. For the third year in a row, the average cost of the classic Thanksgiving meal has actually gone down. A hefty drop in turkey prices and a wave of fresh grocery store deals. But while the centerpiece of the feast is cheaper than ever, not everything on the table is coming with discounts, and regional price quirks and hidden cost bumps might still make you think twice. What's behind this year's affordable Thanksgiving feast? Even amid ongoing concerns about grocery inflation, the cost of putting together a Thanksgiving dinner has eased compared to 2024, thanks largely to the holiday's star attraction, the turkey. According to the American Farm Bureau Federation, preparing a traditional feast for 10 people now averages $55.18, roughly $5.52 per person, marking a 5% drop from last year. The AFBF also highlighted regional differences in Thanksgiving meal costs, finding the holiday spread most budget-friendly in the South at $50.01. Analysts attribute the savings to lower commodity prices and retailer promotions aimed at budget-conscious shoppers. As reported by Grocery Dive, several major chains are rolling out special deals, such as Target's $20 Thanksgiving meal for four, making it easier than ever for families to celebrate without breaking the bank. It included average costs from all 50 states and Puerto Rico by checking prices in stores and online. Why turkey prices remain affordable? Turkey prices have dropped significantly this year, falling 16% from 2024, according to the AFBF. The average cost of a 16-pound frozen turkey now sits at $21.50, or about $1.34 per pound. While the ongoing spread of bird flu has driven up production costs, overall prices remain low due to a long-term decline in consumer demand. Farmers are still working to rebuild turkey flocks that were devastated by avian influenza, but overall demand has also fallen, said AFBF economist Faith Parum. The combination will help ensure turkey will remain an affordable option for families celebrating Thanksgiving. Which Thanksgiving staples are getting more expensive this year? Not everything on the Thanksgiving table is getting cheaper this year. While items like dinner rolls and stuffing benefited from lower wheat prices, fresh vegetables and sweet potatoes are bucking the trend with significant price increases. The AFBF noted that the cost of a veggie tray has surged 61% year over year, and sweet potatoes are up 37%. Officials said the jump is largely due to natural disasters, including recent hurricanes in North Carolina, which happens to be the country's top sweet potato producing state.